She blank more and more like her mother. Becomes, is becoming, has become, will have become. So meron tayo ditong more and more like her mother. Nagpapakita to ng progress in the present. At kapag nag-express tayo ng pagbabago in progress or yung mga ongoing changes, ganyan, development, growth, present, progressive. So you see na ang present progressive, hindi lang siya ginagamit kapag may right now na nangyayaring action. Pwede rin siyang gamitin kapag may changes na in progress or ongoing, kagaya ng mga sinabi ko kanina. Again, ang formula ng present progressive ay am, is, or are, plus verb in ing. Since meron tayong she dito, gagamit tayo ng is, and then yung ing form. So, letter B is the right answer. She is becoming more and more like her mother. In progress yung pag-change niya na yan. In other words, habang tumatagal, mas nagiging katulad siya ng nanay niya. Present progressive.